Hi, in this video, I will walk you step by step through TikTok ads for sales, from account setup to creatives and scaling, in a way beginners can actually follow. So, the first thing that you'll need to do is go in any browser and basically type TikTok ads. Hit the enter button, you'll find here a link, click on it, and make sure to basically log in using your TikTok. So you can click on login here with TikTok, and you should be logged in using it. So for me, I'm already logged in. They'll tell you to, or they'll basically send you a code through the Gmail that you have created the TikTok with. Just enter that code back here, and you will find yourself right here in TikTok for businesses. Of course, they will tell you to allow some permissions from your account TikTok to be synced with TikTok for business. Just allow it, and you should be, or you should find yourself right here. So first of all, TikTok ads are creative first, not targeting based. That means the video matters more than interests, and TikTok decides who to show ads to. That means bad creatives means no sales, no matter the budget. So if your ad looks like an ad people skip, or if your ad looks like TikTok content people watch and buy, this what will make the difference. So as I said, if you go right here, you'll be able to create your account. If you don't have an account, you can find the create at the top right corner. You can go and click on that, and you will have to basically enter your business info, payment method, and pixel if you have a website. And if you don't, make sure to install the TikTok Pixel, and you'll find Google or TikTok Pixel, and you'll find more as an example about it right here if you want to read it out. So you'll have basically to enter any information about your company information, business center information, advertiser account information, and you'll have basically choose your whether you're an advertiser or agency. Any company information should be added here, and the business center name, the time zone, currency, and advertiser account information like the ad account name and the time zone. And you can confirm as an example anything that you entered right here. So once you click on confirm, you will find yourself in the business center. Of course, you will be able, or you'll have to enable the two-step verification if you want more security to your account. If you don't want to, you can click on not now. So once you do so, as I said, you'll find yourself here. And now the real things starts. So let me just go and close this. Here, basically, you'll find all the things that you may want to know. Here, where you'll find the home or the dashboard. At the right, you'll find your account overview. Here, you'll find any account that you have. And here, you'll find the TikTok Ads Manager. So to create a campaign or an ad, you'll have to go to the TikTok Ad Manager, and you can go and click on Create Ads. Once you click on Create Ads, you'll have to choose which accounts. Of course, you may have multiple accounts. You can choose all of them as example, or one of them. So it's also up to you. Then click on Confirm. From there, you'll be able to choose what your advertising objective, whether it's brand awareness, sales, or lead generation. So if you choose any of them, the settings of that objective will change. So if you choose brand awareness, you'll have to choose whether traffic, video views, or community interaction. If you choose sales, whether you want website conversion or TikTok shop. And if you want lead generation, do you want website form, TikTok instance form, or direct message or phone call? So it's totally up to you. For me, let me just say I do want lead generation for like a website form. So here you'll find the estimated results. So you'll get from 0 to 14 leads in 7 days based on businesses like yours using the recommended daily budget. So you can go here and click on switch to full version, but it's not like recommended if you're a beginner. So you can go and click on continue. So here you'll find the campaign name. You can choose whatever name you want for it, and you'll find like what you basically choose here. And here the TikTok pixel that I mentioned before. So if you don't know what is it, you can click on that, and as you can see, it will tell you exactly what the TikTok pixel is. So you'll have to go and click on get started and basically go through this, all of it. So it will be a little bit tricky, but if you follow exactly what they say, you should not get lost. So as you can see, it will keep explaining here. You can go through advanced settings if you want to, but for me, I'm not going through that because this is just for beginners. Of course, if you choose, as I said, websites conversion, you'll have to go through this TikTok pixel, but because especially if it's like about websites. So let's just go and change this because setting up this will go or will waste a lot of time. So let's just go, an example, and say I want to get leads through direct messages or phone calls. So let's just go here, and yes, let's just go and click on that, and this should take me right here. So here again, okay, let's just refresh. So here again, you can choose whether the location again, and you'll have to choose the bid strategy, whether you want it to be targets per cost per result or highest volume. So this will aim for cost per result, and you will set while maximum the result, and you'll be able to enter your target CPA below, or you can choose the highest volume, which will aim to maximize sold volume within your budget. So you can choose whatever you want. And for me, I'm just going to choose that. Here, you'll have to choose the target CPA. And as an example, I'm just going to choose here something like 500. So as you can see, the amounts must be lower than your budget of 300. Oh, of course, you can set up your budgets right here. So the budgets will be, for me as example, I'm just going to choose 5,000. And here we are. So here, first of all, you'll find the budget. And let me just go and click on gadgets. As you can see, they're telling you a lot of stuff, explaining stuff. You can read all of that, especially if you're a beginner, to understand more and more. So here, you can choose goal-based budget increase. If you allow this, that means allow your budget to automatically increase when your ads are performing well, if target CPA and budget's requirements are met. So you can find the current budget and here how much it will be increased, and the maximum daily budget. You'll find this right here as well. So you can change that however you want. Also like the target CPA and stuff like that. And here you can choose your targeting audience, whether the location of them, the minimum age, and the language. You can add more options to exclude some specific audience. Then you can go and click on continue. Here you'll have to add the ad name, and here you'll basically have to create your ad. So give it an example in instant form, or whatever you want. So you can go and create, choose from library, just basically put your ad right here, and you'll find the overview on the right here. You'll be able to see how this looks like. Once you finish adding your ad, like you'll find here any tracking if you want to enable tracking, and then you can go and click on publish all. Once you click on publish all, of course, you'll have to go through the payments, and you'll have to pay, and they should be good to go. So of course, let me just go a little bit about this. So you can click on here, create. They have some templates if you want to use. You can generate also with AI. So let's say I'm just going to with some template like this, and as you can see, I'm just going to click on complete. Yeah, let's just go and upload here a logo, and I'm just going to keep it as it is. So yeah, I don't know, let me make it like this bigger. So I'm just going to use this logo and click on confirm. It doesn't matter because I'm not going to publish this ad, but for you, you'll have to keep in mind, or you keep these in mind. So the company name, I'm just going to do this, and I'm just going to do something like that. It doesn't matter, as I said, but for you, it should be like so, HTTPS, 2 dots, and 2 slashes, and I don't know, I'm just going to choose comics.com. So you can click on here and complete. So I just entered like their URL and it's worked, like a valid URL with HTTPS. So once you're done, as I said, you can go and click on publish all. So as you can see here, they updated some stuff. So here you can add some creative assets. As I said, for me, I don't want to go through this all because it's not, I don't want to like create an ad. Really, I just want to like show you how to do it. For you creating the ads, it will be totally on you. So if I go here and click on publish all, as an example, so you can add a balance to this account, as I said, to publish this. So click on add a balance, they'll take you here. You'll have to link your card as example. So click on update the access settings. You'll have to add the payments method, and basically you should be good to go. That's basically how you create it. So add your like information right here, click on submit, and then you'll have to add your payments method. I'm not going through that. So it should be pretty easy to add like a payments method and stuff like that. And then you should be good to go. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.